Welcome to the second Audiotool tutorial. We continue with the same audio configuration of the first one. In this occasion, we're going to load a preset on the synthesizer. After that, we select a processor device located on the right side of the screen, for example, a delay. We drag it, and we can see it is connected to the mixer by default. We disconnect the cable, and connect it to the aux1 output of the mixer. And its output to input auxiliary. We activate the processor and adjust to 100% dry wet. We turn up the aux1 from the first mixer track, where the synthesizer is connected to. This way, we are sending the amount of signal to be processed. We compare the audio effect by deactivating and activating the processor. Following, I'm going to show another way of connecting processors. It consists of linking the delay output to another input mixer, in this case the track 2. In this way, we can equalize the effect. There is another way of connecting processors, which is based on linking a sequence of devices. So to do this, we track, for example, the same effect. Its output is connected to input of another processor, in this case, a phaser. We adjust parameters, where it's very important to select the dry wet to 100%. And like this, We decide the amount of audio signal is processed by means of using the mixer. In this occasion, we turn up the aux 2. In order to save our project, we select Publish from the menu. We write a title and a description as well. And we can see there is an audio file in our profile. Which can be shared, downloaded, or deleted. Once having done this, we can get access to our project to continue working on it.